My favourite instrument is the tin whistle, and I like learning new songs on it.
I think the tin whistle is a good instrument for the kids to start on because there aren't that many things you can go wrong with. Once you get your fingers on the holes and once you get the blowing sorted, you're away. So after only 1 or 2 lessons, they're playing tunes, they're playing traditional tunes and they're playing them well. So they hear that they can do it as well and it's great for them.
You can see the progress on the kids. The ones that's had it before, they obviously, they come on a bit, you know, they want harder tunes and that, and they understand what it's all about.